So friends, this is iCuzzy Target Part 2. So you want to learn about iCuzzy technology and how using these iCuzzy system and you are completely my watch first video iCuzzy Target Part 1 because this is a Part 2 here. So maybe you are not understand how these because these my Part 2 continue last previous video. So watch my video part was here because this is a very important for you and create these iCuzzy target part 2. So how start here? Let's continue. So let's start.
But I'm just showing and I have known this time server using here. So just client, how can client connect in server? I will discuss in server series completely, but I'm just showing demo here. So first you can see here target means my target of my server and DNS name. So you can quick connect means connect by try to start here. So first you want completely you mind and IP address or DNS name. So I have no systems here because these fail because I have no system server system. I have no. You can see here I have internet, but I have no my computer server. So these result these working only for private system in private data here. Lot of company using iCuzzy system because some area side, some system side, very important computer file and project file, and hacker always your data break and sell your other company. Discovery. What is the discovery means? I'm using this domain name www.gt.com and port. Port means your what is a port? I will discuss in network series. So you can see a port is a 3260 port means one type of door of your access your data. So these target portals mean you enter other name, other DNS name, other your IP address is showing list here. And to add target portal, you click discover portal means you discover your portal all of here. So first I'm just showing here this is my portal name and my IP address. You can add IP address showing here. So I'm first added my domain name here. Just showing you discover portal means you're showing your IP address and add your system. So I'm just first enter my domain name. So I'm just showing example type here. So www.vj.com 3260 is port name and connection fail means connection no start and connection never start because I have no computer server. So without server you cannot access this your this feature in not using this computer technology here because very important server first need and second your network with your internet. So iCuzzy systems is very important. A favorite target means your favorite your servers favorite your files and favorite systems here. So this my two already I've tried 3260 name first wget.com then first vget.com. These two type showing you. So you any server you connect a lot of company in the server using just showing you. So Microsoft iCuzzy Internet is a tool that connect external iCuzzy based storage to host computer with your internet network adapter. iCuzzy Internet use Windows. So this is a Windows not available Windows Server 2003 not available this feature in Windows your 2008. This only using Windows Server 2008 release 2 and Windows Server 2012 later. Okay, so Windows Server 2000 later means my Windows Server 2000 release 2, Windows Server 2016, Windows Server 2019. These type iCozy Internet systems available in your computer. So Windows NT not available, system not access protocol systems here, and Windows Server 2000 not using this type system in. So for you one must have Windows 7 these systems. Windows 7 is using these iCozy, and Windows Server 2000 8 released to after. So client operating system Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and Windows XP, other Windows Vista here. So you can see here, I can see I'm just showing detail with him online. You can see here how can you using a system, and how can you work these systems here. So what we are showing here, uh, the two feature here, you can target server in the is a server component which provide block storage to interior, means you can block your systems, some components from your users, some systems. So first you know you are company administrator, means your administrator using this iCozy system target your company. Sales manager using this iCozy target. You are your purchase department work, so you can use iCozy target systems here. Using management, your management system using target. Some employee not using iCozy target. So this is very important for security for your computer data, your computer service, your company services. So company always try to save your data, save system, save network, and save with your data in your systems here. So first I'm just showing images with you can see VDS provider, VLS provider. So virtual disk systems and virtual systems. Okay, so you can see application servers always working here. So server always starting here, and WMI Windows management interface working. iCozy target server always two type working here. So the provide are for remote target management. These are not you want not going physically connect with your computer. You can any site, any country using your remote system, and you can using your company target data and target systems here. I've already told you in some video. So first the provider are remote target in the VDS provider typically storage management server and allow user to using a system. Okay, so using user allowed to manage storage in the central locations using a VDS. Okay, so virtual disk storage means different type of virtual systems work in your server, and server always connect in your network, but you are already VDS and VASS one type of systems with your using iCozy target systems, and so you already configure iCozy target technology in your server, and you are already you manage your iCozy and all of settings complete in iCozy target system in your server. So you can start your computer client from in your server systems here. So this very system using very fastly using here. So you can see as a so to on diagram. Okay, so this target always storage provide and enable your software, so you can upload your data, you download data, anything you can see here, and just as you local disk type showing here. So first you can see just this diagram in new iCozy target system storage provider here. Okay, so server always try to terminology systems here. So terminology, first understand what is a terminology. This is my terminology means your my client computer connect with this is add server. So first click add servers, add DNS name. So you can add by IP address or DNS. So first I'm showing IP address through. So first you add your server. So first starting and try connect your server. and special your important your your iCazi systems your main computer IP version. So you can see servers always not fail because this is mine. I have no server, but just I'm showing and iCazi server I will make in my computer in my server in playlist and create server topics. So different servers, different systems available in iCazi servers, but this servers technology available on in my systems. But before I want to first need iCazi target system server, and the second is server always connect with your internet and connect allow your storage your network provider systems here. So first special your need iCazi target internet systems here. So storage providers always lot of data available in your system in your computer. So you can see here DE is my server application in iCazi target server. So first iCazi connection TCP and IP. So TCP transmission control protocol and internet protocols work with both area sites. Okay. So first just terminology understand application server work in these systems here. So iCazi internet how can work with target network systems here. So iCazi internet D and E you can see here. These are my computer hard disk main computer server hard disk here. So first virtual disk is iCazi system and iCazi virtual disk 2. This mean these virtual hard disk 1, virtual hard disk 2. So these are my iCazi system, iCazi my hard disk here, and showing this type D and E name here, and by this hard disk allow space to storage data in my server as internet through. So I can use these type partitions and using any site, any country, any first time connect for internet and using any site, any computer here. So first you want hard disk and hard disk with connect your main computer server. Okay, and create iCazi systems in storage. So iCazi disk is a target first your iCazi industry standard protocol allow you sharing block storage over your systems here. So server machine always consume your storage is called iCazi internet. So server always try to give a best performance in the client computer for your system data. So first your how many type size how many type your data and using size here. So GB, terabyte, gigabyte. So this means your 15 GB, 25 GB, 88 GB. So multiple company very lot of data, so thousands of terabyte using a computer in hard disk.
So friends, this is a very long video in iCazi target part 2. So other settings I will show you and continue next iCazi target part 3. So in this my video completely this iCazi part 2 here, and next time I will continue iCazi other settings and how using and how manage, and basically to configuration systems some other settings. So I will recover in next video in next part here iCazi part 3. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.